All right, boys, we're about to kick off the Berks. We are at the first spot of the day on the lake. My electronics are covered in bird poop, it looks like. I don't even know how, because she was in the garage. But we're gonna start off, we're gonna throw the black and blue. Sooner or later, I'm gonna need to swap. But we're gonna turn the trolling motor down, and here's first cast. Okay, now we're in 3 foot. Oh my gosh, dude. Something just, remember that? It happened like that last time, dude. Something just came up in between those sticks. And I was hanging there. That's so funny. Look, this line's not thick enough to flip. Well, I guess I can flip it. I didn't realize I could flip this line. Huh. Hell yeah, that's pretty cool. That flips pretty smooth, actually. Maybe this line's the juice. You bought the pocket crawls? These are the baby pocket crawls. Get them? Dude, these might be the juice.
Is it too shallow to get over there?
Yeah.
Fuck. Why don't you cut it?
Hell yeah. Dude, there's fish jumping like crazy over there.
Damn, pocket roll.
Here's one. Oh yeah.
Told you.
Heck yeah. They want the orange. They want the orange. Oh. Bro. That's a good one. That's an actual decent fish. That's an actual decent fish. Lost Pincher is gonna have to use more freaking. That's one thing that sucks about the baby pocket, guys. Like, it's literally the best bait you can buy, but you lose pinchers all the time. But check that girl out right there. It's like he's got a leech in his mouth. Heck yeah. Let's get the release for you. He was ready to go. Heck yeah. Like, there has to be fish back there. Like, here's a fish. You ready? See how I'm in him right now?
Yeah.
And see how he was still there the whole time. Oh man, this is a good one, I think. Was it a good one? I couldn't tell. Oh, this is a good one. This is a good one, dude. This is a good one. This is a good one. This is a good one. Hell yeah. They're getting bigger, baby. You got one? Why are you reeling it then? Notice how I wasn't reeling? I gotta teach you my ways. We've gotta really focus on you figuring this out. We're in 0 feet again. Bro, am I on top of the water? What the hell's up in my bait? Dude, look at this fish carrying my, look, this fish has got it, and you, just like that. You see that? Oh.
Oh, dang.
See, look, bro, we're gonna go through so many of these. That pisses me off. Dang, guys. Well, we're catching fish at least, but we're definitely losing money. Decent fish. Oh, Mikey broke his reel. I told you. What did I tell you? Pick up my other pole. Mikey decided to put 6-pound test on. He's learning. I told you, pick up the other pole. The other pole's already ready to go.
Set that, though?
Yeah, I told you. And you heard the drag. That was a big fish. I told you. I told you. Mikey, I told you, Mikey.
Shut up.
I'm fishing this net baits crawl with just one pincher. Is that a fish? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't tell if it's a fish or a stick. I lost it. Oh my gosh, that was huge. That was huge. Holy cow, dude. I haven't felt anything like that since I caught that 10 in Texas. Oh my gosh, no, I'm serious, dude. That was crazy. That's a big deal. I just literally had a freaking ginormous fish on my pole. It was a catfish. It had to be. There's no bass in here like that. It had to be a catfish. Bro, these guys are pissing me off. Tell them to get out of here, Mikey.
Get out of here, guys. Okay, let's go to the bass factory.
Here's a fish. He's swimming right towards me. Or I lost him. No, he's still here. Oh, wow. Hey, baby, look at that. Another crawl without pinchers. That's din-din, boys. Yeet. Dude, like, what the hell is this green shit? A lot of people call it algae, but I call it algae. I'm glad that sun kind of went down a little bit.
How's that?
See, it's probably good. Fish right here, you ready? Missed him. Come here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh. Baby, that's a good fish right there. That is a really good fish. Heck yeah. Out here slaying them.
That's probably 3.
No, that's not 3, but we're out here slaying a big girl. Probably at least a 2. Heck yeah.
You don't think it's 3?
No, it's not 3. It's like 2. Oh yeah, baby. Put them back. Right here's where they're gonna be.
Oh.
You missed one?
Yeah.
See, I told you they're gonna want it. Almost as much as. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh boy.
This one sounds good, doesn't it? Ah, it's not. Oh yeah, that's a chunker, dude. That's a chunker. Look at him. Yeah, baby. Ultimate fish catching action. I told you, boys.
Still got the pockets?
Oh, is it in the gullet? It's in the gullet, bro.
I had to go to the camp store to get some more drinks. Our electrolytes were going down, and the bass don't like that, so we got to stay energized and stay ready to catch those bass. But other than that, it's been a pretty good day so far. It's pretty hot. The gnats aren't too bad. The skeeters ain't come out yet, as they say in Bedford.
What's up, guys? So we've been catching fish, of course, T-Rig TV style today. So we are out on the lake catching fish, as I said. We thought black and blue was gonna be the deal. We thought it was gonna be the ticket, but they wanted that green pumpkin. The green pumpkin is what they seem to be munching today. If you guys like my rhymes, I bet you do. But it is hot. We forgot drinks, so Mikey had to stop at the boat dock, and he went back there and he went and picked up some drinks at the camp store. He drove my truck. Thank God he didn't scratch it. I would have had to eat him alive. But I think he's gonna put the GoPro on, and we're gonna see if we can't reel in any big girls. See that clear right there? There has to be a fish there, huh? You can pull him up. Hey, we might have to use one of those orange crawls of yours.
Maybe.
I'm going to, okay?
I
Huh?
mean, they're yours,
What?
technically. Technically, they're yours.
These were no way mine.
Yes, they were.
I would not buy these.
You did.
No, I didn't. You
Yeah.
bought them.
I did not.
I would not buy these.
You bought them, bro.
Huh?
You bought them.
No.
Yeah. Who did?
You did.
I didn't buy them.
I swear to God, I would not buy these.
You bought them and said, Mikey, I love these.
You bought these.
You said, have these, but trust me, they come with great responsibility. And I was like, okay. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Dude, these are kind of neat.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, baby. These little crawl things are kind of neat, to be honest.
the ones that I have,
Yeah, those are kind of neat.
I told you you loved them. Look at that. Fucking slay them at bogs. And that's no lie.
These are kind of neat. I like these.
I told you.
They're really neat. I don't know if they'll catch fish, but they look cool.
Will you portrait mode me, Dad?
With that fish? Alright guys, so today has been successful. We have caught loads of fish, no small ones. It looks like it's going to start to rain, so we are going to get out of here. It's about 7:30, maybe 8. Got other things to do. We've been swamped by pleasure boaters these last 2 hours. I've broke off like 4 times, so I am going to call it a day. And I would like to ask you guys to make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and as always, thanks for watching T-Rig TV.